Dans quelques minutes, je sors, on fait un petit girl trip, un petit voyage à filles avec quelques garçons, mais on va upstate à New York, à une petite, bah, vous verrez, ouais. You'll see! Mais j'ai vraiment trop hâte pour ce petit trip entre filles. Yay! Ma tenue pour le voyage. Bah, petit aperçu de mon cloffice, bureau slash placard. Voilà tous mes affaires pour le voyage. J'attends juste Noël pour me ramener. Voilà. Hi everybody. So we are at the tiny house and we're gonna unpack everything, but it is so cute. I can't wait to show you guys the inside. Okay, I'll show you guys better in the morning when there's light, but it is so cute. We'll show you the inside. Good morning from our tiny house. Look how cute it is, you guys. We love it here. Hello friends. We live here now. And this is the view. Oh my god, gorgeous. We are now apple picking, and it is so much fun. This orchard has so many different types of apples, and all the trees are so full. Yay! Say hello to our new guest, Steffi, and husband. Hi! Pizza party! Hi everybody, sorry for the flash. So fun. There's the pizza oven. Rachel, let me see your pizza. I need a fork. It is our last day and I'm sad to say goodbye. It's beautiful upstate. We're back to the city. A busy, busy city. But we had so much fun. It's so gorgeous out here.